Hello all. This video, I would like to give you the information of the OPPO A96, that latest model in 2023. Here is a detailed description of the OPPO A96. The OPPO A96 is an affordable Android phone that offers a sleek and stylish design along with a range of impressive features. It boasts a large 6.59-inch IPS display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, providing smooth and vibrant visuals. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset and 6/8 GB of RAM, it delivers fast and efficient performance for various tasks. With 128 GB of storage, the A96 offers ample space for storing files, apps, and media. It also comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33W SuperVOOC fast charging, ensuring you can quickly recharge your device. The phone features a fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button, enhancing security and convenience. In terms of connectivity, the A96 supports NFC and Wi-Fi 5 AC, allowing for easy and seamless wireless connections. The phone runs on the Android operating system and comes with a SIM eject tool, manual, protective case, cable, and charger. The camera capabilities of the OPPO A96 are also noteworthy. It sports a 50MP main camera and a 2MP bokeh camera, offering decent picture and video quality. The main camera can take 12.5MP photos by default, capturing detailed and vibrant shots. Despite being a budget-friendly phone, the OPPO A96 doesn't compromise on build quality. It features a plastic back panel that comes in various color options, including pearl pink and starry black. The phone is IP54 certified, providing some level of protection against dust and water. Overall, the OPPO A96 is a great option for those looking for an affordable smartphone with an attractive design, good screen quality, a capable camera, and a fast processor. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.